Hey, so today on Tuesday Tip, we wanted to talk to you about irrigation. Man, it's hot. I'm sweating. You're sweating. The grass is sweating. It's ridiculous. We live in Georgia and it's hot. Okay? So, hey, folks, just like you, your grass needs water. Just like you, your grass needs plenty of water. And so what we would like to do today is talk to you about putting that water out. So when you go out in your yard and you run your irrigation system for 10 minutes and 5 minutes every day and those kind of things, your grass is struggling. Your grass is not going to be a nice, healthy, green, lush, thick grass because it's not getting enough water. So we recommend at Real Turf Solutions that you water at least 3 days a week, 30 to 45 minutes a day per zone. What that's going to do is that's going to, yes, run your water bill up. However, it's also going to keep your grass healthy. You also need to check your irrigation system. So we go out to people's yards all the time and they have these green spots and gray spots this time of the year. We got 20-something phone calls last week on the irrigation service call work. Why? Because it's that time of the year and we need your help out there, customers and employees and people in Middle Georgia, to make sure you're watering your lawn. If you're not watering your grass, then we're not going to be able to keep it green, and it's going to struggle throughout the entire year. And you say, well, what does that have to do with it in the future, or the health of the overall turf? Well, if that grass isn't thick and lush and green, then it's not going to continue to thicken up and grow and those kind of things. Just like you and I, we need water. Your grass needs water. Again, get out there, check your irrigation system, run it at least 3 times a week, 30 minutes per zone to 45 minutes per zone. If you're watering your grass 10 minutes, you're wasting your time, you're wasting your money, and you're actually stressing the grass out because it can't get in there. Another thing is, well, when do we water? Everybody wants to water in the middle of the day because they got to see it to believe that it's watering. If you've ever been to the beach, when you lay out at the beach and you put water on you and you get brown, you get a tan. It's the same with the grass. So when we put water on the grass at 12 o'clock every day, it automatically evaporates right off the leaves and it actually can cause more stress on the grass. We recommend that you water before the sun comes up in the mornings. We don't really recommend that you water really late at night or after in the evenings, because what happens is that grass stays wet all through the night. And when that grass stays wet all through the night, we can get funguses or disease or issues that result in that. So what we would prefer you do is we prefer you to water your grass at 3 or 4 in the morning and have it done before the sun gets too far up in the sky. 8, 9 o'clock in the morning, it needs to be done because it needs to naturally evaporate off of the water, off of the grass, without it being a massive amount of evaporation. Because when it evaporates off the grass at 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock in the day, when we have 94-degree temperatures, automatically we're stressing the grass out. So 2 things when you're looking at your irrigation system. 1, make sure that we're watering the right amount. 2, make sure we're watering at the right time. And number 3, make sure that our yards are getting 100% coverage. I know you've been down some streets and you've seen those splotchy yards. What is that from? That's from a broken irrigation head or a broken pipe or broken line or a head not producing the same amount of water or it not covering properly. So you got to make sure that you're looking at all those things to have that green, lush grass this summer in Middle Georgia. I believe that this summer is going to be a hot summer, so we need to get ahead of our irrigation systems and get them ready to go early, right now, before we get into the hot summer months. If you have a problem with your system and you need some help, give us a call. We can definitely send out one of our service techs. They'll be more than happy to come out, help you with your irrigation system and help you get it going and make sure that you have all these things taken care of. If we can be of any help, give us a call. You can check us out on our website at realturfsolutions.com, or you can give us a call at the office at 478-988-0043.